Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your device name in your Samsung phone. As you want to change guys your phone device name in your Samsung phone, so guys you can change it. And guys now let's see how to change phone device name in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends now time to start video. And first of all guys open your phone setting to change your phone device name. So as you can see guys this type of settings. So guys what will you have to do to change your phone device name? So guys scroll your phone and guys click on this about phone settings. So guys we will tap here, then guys click on this edit option and guys tap here first of all and guys cut this name. So as you can change your phone device name here whatever you want. So example for guys I will change into only guys Samsung phone. So example for guys I will change into Samsung phone only, but guys you can change yourself. Then guys click on done option, then guys it will change, otherwise not. So guys you can see again guys tap here and guys you can check guys your device name Samsung phone. So like that guys you can change your, and guys you can rename your phone device name in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.